Alright, today is January 30th, and I did some additional grinding on the inside, really ground down to the metal around the edges and the worst parts of the rust, and it seemed to be doing pretty good. And then what I'm going to do is, since I did that, I want to make sure that I don't expose any more holes. So I'm going to check these holes out and find out and make sure I didn't make any more. So this panel here is one I'm going to cut out and replace. I grind down the edges here where I think I'm going to make my cut along here, and make sure no more holes creeped up. So that's all still within my range of where I need to cut. Looks good. Majority of the rust on here, the holes go no further than this point here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably end up cutting at the top of this corner here, come in, across, and then I'm going to cut, an inch off this seat plate and across here, and then if the rust is bad, I'm going to have to take off the seat plate and come up further and under here. But we'll see what we got there. And then rear passenger side behind the driver side, passenger side, whatever you want to call it. I grind down this pretty good, and now I'm worried that I made some more holes. So I don't think I did, so I'm going to check. So I don't see any more holes. So we're good. And then driver's side, I ground down really good here. We're going to remove that, separate the two panels, and cut along here. And got all this cleaned up. So hopefully no holes showed up. Got that one there. It's fairly close to the, not very close to rocker arm, about 2 inches away from the rocker arm. And nothing up. Some there, and then nothing up against the firewall on the floor. So we're looking really, really good. So the only thing I need to pull out and remove is this part of the panel here. So I'll end up separating these joints here, and then about ½ inch off here, over ½ inch or so around this pattern here, and then cut straight along here. Along here, right here. If that doesn't work, then all else fails. Probably end up that rocker arm and remove it from underneath. And then driver's side, front passenger. Really ground that down pretty good, cleaned it up. All this up here, and that being glue, that spot right there, man, it really gummed up my grinder, so I just left it. The rest is all just glue, it's not rust. And then let's put the light under here and make sure that we have no holes. Hope we don't. So we're looking good. No holes. Of course, when it's dark, you guys aren't seeing anything, but that's good, right? Right. All right. looking good. So left passenger side is good, front right passenger side is good. Got to replace the driver's side and replace the rear right passenger. And then there's my new panel for the rear right passenger, and then for the driver's side will be coming soon.